here's one way to make all your problems honestly become worse. I wanted to stay. I wanted to be there. I wanted to hold you, but I was afraid. I wanted to be